Okay, this is a new review on Burano nail foil glue and foils. I rushed it last time, so I'm going to take my time and try to do it right this time. So first off, I'm going to get me a little this, or get me a buffing block better. Mix it in the cup with too while I'm at it. So now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buff these up a little, get rid of the shiny, if I can. So I'm gonna take and buff. Well, shoot. That's the way my luck goes on these things. See if I can do it this way then. Get some of this shiny off. I've learned a little more about foils in the last 3 or 4 months. So, let's see if I can do it. If I can do it, I might start using my foils more often. Okay, it's got that one. Let's see if I can get this one out. You see what my little life is like on these. My tack don't want to stick. My nails want to flop everywhere. And so see, I'm really just learning right along with you. See, it don't even want to stay on that. That don't. So, we'll do it like this. I have to. We're going to see what goes on with these. The reason I'm taking the shine off is so the glue will hold. You know how that goes. Let's see. Ding dong dang it. We're just doing 4 of them. I'm going to try to do some difference. And I had a very low wattage lamp last time I tried this too. So hopefully the new lamp, well, not new lamp, the lamp I got gave the other day by a friend, will do better. It's a 50 some watt, I think. Yeah, 54 watt. So it should do a lot better than a 30 watt. Let's see if this is not coming up. And get it done and get it over with. Oh, I'm out of frame. I didn't notice till just now. Okay. Okay. Pretty much got them all the shine up. Got one of my gray hairs in it. So we're gonna dust these off real quick. As you can tell. Now, this is supposed to be, you know, kept tightly stored, blah, 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 sealed, and all that good stuff. Keep out of reach of children. And it is UV glue. So, we're going to take a coat of it on. Right like this. And then we're going to put another coat on it. On this one. Putting a coat on each one of them. so we can see what we do and don't do. You can see I'm trying to get it all over it. You can tell whether I've got it on it or not by whether it's still foggy or shiny. So, it's there. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this in the cure lamp for about 30 to a minute. So let's give it a minute and see what it does. And while it's doing that, let's pick out some pretty foils from Burano. Yeah, I haven't put these out in separate things yet because you know how that goes. I just haven't done it yet. Burano has some pretty ones. Really. Okay. I think I want to try a little bitty piece of that one. We'll see how that one comes out. I love animal print. And that, let's see, that's wild paisley. It's a green, silver. Let's see, what was that color behind that? Not the green. Red. There's a pale blue. I'm gonna go with this one. I am gonna go with this gold one. I'm gonna cut a little bitty piece off each one of them. So let's see what we got here. Okay. Okay. Put this back in here real easily. Then I'm going to cut a little piece off each one of these. And cut a piece about yay wide. Put this one in here. You know what I'm doing. Don't have to say every word, do I? Come on, back in there. Okay. Now these, I'm just going to lay them on top of each other. Because they're all three animal prints. I'm just going to cut a little slice at the bottom of all three of them. That way I don't have to fiddle all day with them. So now, I'll lay that right there. Okay. Now this kit comes with all these different foils. This. And 2 bottles of glue. And they're 15 mLs of glue, each one. So you get quite a bit of glue. So, let's see what we got here. I'm going to stick this one on this one. Let's see where we go. This over here a minute. The reason I'm doing it this way, I've somehow got this stuck. See how it's going on. It's going on pretty dang good. See? So the last time was my fault. And I didn't rub over in here either. But with this kind of, you can go right back over it and rub it. And it'll go right on it. See? That's the easy part. And this glue works fantastic. I'm seeing that now. So that's that one. And it looks pretty. Now, let's try one of these. And we'll take this one. And I'll lay it on it. And I'll rub it down first. Because remember, these ain't sticking on this thing too good. So, I'm rubbing it on with my nail first to make sure I get it on good. Then I'll start rubbing with this and make sure I get it rubbed in good. This helps cover the whole nail. And it's coming right off of that, so I'm going to take that off there. And then we'll work it here. Am I getting this up here? Don't know yet. Okay. Okay. I'm getting to the tip of that. Erica, the dog's got a shoe.
Which dog?
Both.
Poppy and Sable.
Now that looks beautiful.
Inside.
That turned out pretty good. Covered the whole nail.
That's all they're doing is sniffing inside.
It did great. Don't feel any sticky. So that one's doing good. Now let's see if this one does any good. Oops. I'm gonna get it on there right. Okay. Now I'm gonna rub it on here with my fingers first. Yeah, popped off that doggone stand again. Okay, and then I'm gonna rub it good with this. Let's see if I get it on good. And cut it up, Erica. Don't need it right now. No, Mom's got hers. That one is coming off pretty good, considering I rubbed a little too hard in places. Did good. Come on. Get back on that hole. Now, here's the last one. Let's see how it does. Shoot, Jonna. Okay. Whoops, I cut 2 on that one. So we got something that ain't a print on this one. Didn't mean to cut 2, but that's okay. Just tells me that I gotta watch what I'm doing. This one's a pink. And it's got some little pastels in it. Let's see how it's gonna look once we get it on here. Okay. Let's see. I put it on crooked too, so that's my fault. Okay. Okay. Now, let's see. See if I can get this little bitty piece I'm trying to. Yes. Okay, now that turned out pretty good too. No matter what I did to it to screw it up, it did turn out good. So, they look great. I'm going to put this piece back in here since I accidentally cut something I didn't need. So I used it and got it over with. Okay, now to make sure these stay on good, I'm going to take my Burano top coat, one of them. I've got a bigger bottle and I got the little bottles. This is the little bottle, which is almost empty. Might as well say empty, but I am going to use it till I run out.
David, hush. She's on video.
And I'm going to top coat it with it. And see, I told you. That stupid stuff ain't sticking. That tack ain't. That's the way my luck goes, though. But, anyway.
Could I watch Netflix?
No, David.
Why?
Remember, you're grounded. Now,
We
hush.
can watch Netflix and Disney.
Didn't you just hear me, Josh?
We're just able to watch Netflix and Disney, but just not YouTube.
You're not allowed to watch any of it unless I choose to watch it.
It's on this channel.
Didn't you just hear me?
What are you looking for?
For the Burano top coat. It's down there at the bottom end. It says Burano top. Yeah, that's Burano. One says top and one says base.
This one says top.
Give me the top.
Top.
Yeah.
Base. Top.
Okay.
Top coat.
Had to get the big bottle out. Now, David, shut up a while.
Burano 28. Top coat. Burano. Top.
Quit, Josh. Okay, now I'm going to take care of these for a minute. Okay, David, quit. Put this, bring me the other Burano one up this way.
This one?
Yes, and put it over here. No, that ain't Burano. Dang.
It's top coat.
No. Oh my God. Down there we use messing.
This?
Yes, that.
That's base coat.
I know, hand it here. Now quit. Don't touch nothing else. Sorry, kids and people. I was having to yell at him a little bit because he was messing with my stuff. And that ain't a good thing. But on this review, I honestly got to say that Burano does good. This foil glue works great. These foils, they're three or four different thicknesses I used. And they all came off great. And they show pretty. And I'll probably end up using more of the foils from now on. Because I love his color of pink. That one was. This in here is a pretty animal print. So is that one. That is a pretty gold. They got so many pretty colors that comes in this kit. And if I can remember right, it was under $20. I'll put the link in the description box for the Amazon place for it. But yeah, they did great. They came out good. I love them. So yeah, I'm probably going to end up starting using foils more. And I am so glad I redid this one, because now I can give it an honest go and say, yes, I will buy it again. Most definitely, because it works good. Does what it's supposed to do. And the last time I did it was mine, because I didn't understand foils that well then. But I'm understanding them a lot better now. And I thank you. And hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.